you guys going? Huh? Why'd you guys go that way? We're on our way to Y16. Yes, sir. Look at that. There's that mini bar over there. You can go over there and play pool. This is where we wrecked. Car. Hey, you guys, show what's up to the video. Look back. Slow down so I can show you guys. You guys are stupid, bro. This is the work right here, bro. This is where I was trying to fly at. Oh, watch out, bro.